Are you ready to elevate your Magento store with advanced cloud hosting capabilities? In this video, we guide you through selecting the perfect provider and setting up your store for peak efficiency. Let's get started. Firstly, Magento Cloud Hosting provides a scalable platform for e-commerce sites. It uses distributed resources to ensure a smooth online store experience. Here's how to choose and set up your cloud hosting. Start by selecting a reliable cloud hosting provider. Consider reputation, pricing, and data center locations. Choose the right hosting plan based on your expected traffic and needs. Look for a plan with adequate CPU, RAM, and storage. Next, register a domain name that reflects your brand. Ensure it's easy to remember. Install Magento on your cloud hosting. Follow your provider's guidelines for a hassle-free setup. Ensure your site's security. Install SSL certificates and use strong passwords. Regularly update your software to protect against threats. Optimize your database setup. A well-configured database improves performance. Enable caching to speed up page load times. Caching stores frequently accessed data for quick retrieval. Use a content delivery network, CDN. This helps deliver content fast to users worldwide. Back up your data regularly. Automated backups protect against data loss. Plan for scalability. Use load balancing to manage traffic efficiently. Monitor and analyze your site's performance. Use tools provided by your hosting provider for insights. Stay on top of updates and maintenance. Regularly update Magento and your hosting environment to ensure optimal performance and security. Test and optimize your site regularly. Look for ways to improve speed, usability, and customer experience. This includes optimizing images and minimizing code. Finally, use the 24/7 support offered by your cloud hosting provider. For any technical issues or questions, their expertise can be invaluable in maintaining a smooth operation. By following these steps, you'll set up a Magento store that's fast, secure, and scalable. This ensures a great customer experience and a robust platform for your business. We've covered how to optimize your Magento store on cloud hosting. For more expert tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Together, let's boost your online store's performance and scalability.